Hello and welcome. If you've ever looked in the mirror and wished you could turn back the clock just a little, or felt like your body isn't bouncing back as fast as it used to, or maybe you're just wondering how you can stay strong, vibrant, and independent for years to come, then you're in the right place. Have you ever wondered what the secret is to a long, healthy life? It turns out the answer is already inside you. It's a powerful, built-in system that can heal your body, keep you lean, and even protect you from diseases. And today, we're going to unlock its secrets. Welcome to a conversation about something truly remarkable called autophagy. Don't let the big words scare you. Think of it as your body's natural spring cleaning service. In this video, we're going to explore how to turn on this incredible cleaning crew in your cells using simple, practical tips inspired by some of the world's leading longevity experts from Japan. We'll cover everything from how to eat to simple lifestyle changes you can start making today. My goal is not to give you a bunch of medical jargon, but to give you a clear, friendly, and empowering guide to feeling your best at any age. Understanding autophagy, your body's self-cleaning system. What is autophagy? So what exactly is this autophagy thing? The word itself means self-eating in Greek. Now, before you get worried, that's a good thing. Think of your body like a bustling city, and your cells are the individual homes and businesses. Over time, things get cluttered. You get damaged proteins, worn-out cell parts, and waste products that just build up. When this happens, our bodies can't function as well. Autophagy is like the city's best recycling and waste management service. It goes around and collects all that old, damaged junk. It then breaks it down and uses the materials to build brand new, healthier parts. It's a system of renewal and rejuvenation. This process is happening all the time, but as we get older, it can slow down. The good news? We have the power to turn up the volume and make it work more efficiently. This isn't just some new age wellness trend. The science behind it is profound. A Japanese scientist, Dr. Yoshinori Ohsumi, won the Nobel Prize for his groundbreaking discoveries about autophagy. His work showed us that this isn't just a side function, it's absolutely essential for our survival and health. Without this process, our cells simply couldn't survive and thrive. When you activate autophagy, you are essentially helping your body protect itself from aging and even potentially warding off diseases like cancer and neurodegenerative issues. Pretty powerful, right? Tip number 1, the power of a daily timeout for your digestive system. All right, let's get into our first practical tip. This one's called intermittent fasting. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Fasting? That sounds hard, but it's actually much simpler than you think. It's not about starving yourself, it's about giving your body a break. For generations, many people in Japan have naturally practiced this without even a fancy name for it. They might have an early, light dinner and then a later breakfast, creating a natural window where they aren't eating. That's all intermittent fasting is, creating a daily window of time where you don't eat. This is the most effective way to trigger that amazing autophagy process. When your body isn't busy digesting food all day, it shifts its focus to deep cellular repair and cleaning. A great place to start is with a 12 to 16 hour fasting window. What does that look like? Let's say you finish dinner at 7 p.m. and don't eat again until breakfast the next day at 7 a.m. That's a 12-hour fast. Easy, right? If you want to push it a bit further, you could try a 14 or 16-hour window, maybe by skipping a late-night snack or having a slightly later breakfast. Dr. Takayuki Teruya, another brilliant Japanese researcher, has shown that this fasting period isn't just for weight loss. It actually revs up your metabolism, boosts your body's ability to fight off damaging free radicals, and helps your cells rejuvenate. So you're not just losing a few pounds, you're actively helping your body feel younger from the inside out. Sound familiar? Maybe your grandparents ate their dinner earlier and didn't snack all night. They were onto something. It's a simple, natural rhythm that helps your body do what it's meant to do. Tip number 2, listen to your body with Hara Hachi Bu. Our next tip comes from the island of Okinawa, Japan, a place known as a blue zone where people live exceptionally long and healthy lives. They have a saying, Hara Hachi Bu means eat until you are 80% full. This isn't about counting calories or being on a restrictive diet. It's about slowing down and listening to your body's cues. How many times have you kept eating until your plate was completely clean? Or until you felt uncomfortably full? We've all done it. But that stuffed feeling puts a lot of stress on your digestive system. When you stop eating at 80% full, you give your body a break. You're reducing the amount of metabolic stress, which in turn frees up your cells to focus on that crucial self-repair process, autophagy. It's a gentle, natural way to achieve what we call calorie restriction without malnutrition. One of Japan's most revered longevity experts, Dr. Shigeaki Hinohara, who lived to the age of 105, lived by this principle. He ate light, simple meals and avoided processed foods. He believed that eating until 80% full was a key to maintaining a healthy weight and supporting his body's natural vitality. So, how do you practice this? The next time you sit down to a meal, try putting your fork down halfway through. Take a breath. Really savor the food you're eating. And as you get closer to the end of the meal, check in with yourself. Are you still hungry, or are you just eating because the food is there? The goal is to finish the meal feeling satisfied, not stuffed. This simple shift can make a world of difference. Tip number 3. The foods that fuel your inner cleanup crew. While fasting is a powerful way to turn on autophagy, what you eat when you do eat is just as important. The right foods can supercharge this process. Think about a traditional Japanese diet. What comes to mind? Lots of fresh vegetables, leafy greens, seaweed, fermented foods like miso and natto, healthy fish, and whole grains. This plant-based whole foods approach is rich in the kind of nutrients that support your body's natural functions. Dr. Homi Shinyuni, a pioneering gastroenterologist, was a huge advocate for this kind of eating. He believed that a diet rich in enzymes, fresh fruits and vegetables, and low in meat was the key to a healthy gut and a body free of unnecessary stress. He called this the Shinyunya biozyme theory. He emphasized that when you eat a lot of processed foods, refined sugars, and white flour, you create insulin spikes that actually shut down autophagy. These foods are the opposite of what your body needs to do its internal cleaning. So what should you focus on? Fermented foods. Miso, natto, and sauerkraut are full of probiotics that support a healthy gut. Leafy greens and vegetables, spinach, kale, broccoli, these are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that protect your cells. Healthy fats, olive oil, avocados, and nuts are great for supporting brain health and reducing inflammation. Clean water. Dr. Shinyunya recommended starting the day with a couple of glasses of water to help cleanse the body. Hydration is key to every process in your body. Green tea. Japanese green tea, like matcha, is rich in antioxidants called catechins that can mildly support autophagy and overall health. Think of it this way. You wouldn't fill a high-performance car with low-quality gas. The same goes for your body. Give it the best fuel and it'll run cleaner and more efficiently. Tip number 4. The power of movement and mental engagement. Longevity isn't just about what you eat or when you eat. It's also about how you live. Our longevity expert, Dr. Shigeaki Hinohara, was a prime example of this. He stayed physically and mentally engaged well into his hundreds. He advocated for simple daily movement. He encouraged people to take the stairs instead of the elevator and to walk every day. This kind of gentle, consistent activity doesn't just keep your muscles strong, it also reduces stress and promotes overall cellular health. You don't have to join a gym or run a marathon, just move your body in a way that you enjoy. A brisk walk, some stretching, or even dancing to your favorite song can make a huge difference. Dr. Hinohara also believed in the power of the mind. He told people to never fully retire and to stay curious. He emphasized the importance of lifelong learning and having a positive mindset. He even said that having fun was the best way to forget pain. This speaks to a holistic view of health. When you're mentally engaged, whether it's learning a new language, doing a puzzle, or spending time with friends, you're reducing stress, which in turn supports your body's ability to repair and renew itself. Have you found a new hobby or passion lately? It might just be the best thing you can do for your health. Tip number 5. The liquid breakfast for a gentle start. Let's talk about breaking your fast. After you've had your 12 to 16 hour window of not eating, what's the best way to start your day? Many of us reach for a heavy, processed breakfast, but a brilliant doctor, Dr. Hara, who was the personal physician to Japan's prime ministers, had a different idea. He advocated for a liquid breakfast to gently ease your digestive system back into action. His recommendation was simple. Start the day with a glass of freshly squeezed carrot or apple juice. Why juice? Because it's packed with easy-to-absorb nutrients that give your body a gentle boost without overwhelming it.
Carrot juice is rich in beta-carotene and vitamin A, which are great for your skin, eyes, and liver. It's also naturally alkalizing, which is great for your stomach. Apple juice contains antioxidants like quercetin and is a good source of pectin, a type of fiber that supports gut health. The key is to drink a small amount first, maybe half a glass, and then wait 10 to 20 minutes before eating solid foods. This prevents a big blood sugar spike and gives your body time to prepare for the day. You can even pair it with a handful of nuts or a spoonful of olive oil to further slow down sugar absorption and keep your energy level steady. This approach honors the time your body has spent in repair mode and eases it back into digestion, supporting the entire cycle of cleansing and renewal. It's a simple, elegant way to start your day, and it's a practice you can feel good about. So we've covered 5 powerful, easy-to-follow tips inspired by these incredible Japanese scientists. Activate autophagy with intermittent fasting. Give your body a daily 12 to 16 hour break from food to let it focus on self-repair. Practice Hara Hachi Bu. Stop eating when you're 80% full to reduce metabolic stress and support your body's natural cleansing. Eat foods that fuel you. Focus on a plant-based, whole food diet rich in vegetables, fermented foods, and healthy fats while avoiding processed foods and sugar. Embrace movement and mental engagement. Stay active and curious to keep your mind and body feeling youthful and vibrant. Start your day with the gentle